recently well, does it look like this USB port is double-sided? There you can see is gold sticking out, so there's pins. There you can see. Well, that's a hole. There's my finger behind it. But there's gold. There's gold. So it could be that this iPhone charger cable is double-sided, of course. Note that is the white's on the right. I'll plug him in this way. He goes in. Let's take him out. Let's do him the other way. He goes in. And note, this is the other end of the cable. Got a LED, so he's on that way. So there he's on. So now let's flip him. And he's on again that way. So I did not know this. Discovered this just now. I had this cable for probably a year.